Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to share these before I gave them away to my friend who gives out a lot of cards. And I took a few weeks ago, I spent a couple hours over a 3-day period making a lot of cards, and I have I think I counted 125 cards. So in the great scheme of things, I kept it really assembly line method, and used up a lot of my past Spellbinder card kits that I had lying around, and some bits and bobs and things. So I was going to go through and show them to you just before I give them away. Maybe that'll give you some card sketch ideas, I don't know, but I just thought I would. So my first box of cards, I wanted to put envelopes with them for her, so I'm just going to go through and quickly show them. Some of them I did things on the inside and some I did not, and I kept a lot of them are A2 size. Some of them are 5x7 perhaps, but I kept it really simple, as you can see, just layering the various ephemera and things like that. Makes it really easy. I haven't gotten the card kits in quite a while, just because I have had to cut back on some expenditures, but I had things I could use up, so, and lots of pretty papers, and I still have a lot left, really. So lots you can get out of those kits really are a good deal. Orange envelopes that I had, so I thought these birds went really well with that. You can keep it really simple and let your pattern paper do the work for you. And again, you can just sort of go through and whip some out, and then you have cards at the ready. And like I said, I do like to give these to my friend who is so faithful to give them out. These are those foam stickers, which are really fun. And I didn't think too hard about it, to be honest. Sometimes I think we can overthink things. I just kind of went through and just grabbed colors that stuck out to me and threw it on. These are from an old paper pumpkin, these matching envelopes and cards. So just kind of using the leftover strips and turning things this way and that. And I end up with, a card design. You can pause your the video at any time if you want to see these up close. I went mostly portrait direction, but some are landscape. I just went across and then trimmed them off. Did a little stamping. I didn't do a ton. Got some more manly cards in there too. Tried to keep the foam level down just because she's probably going to be mailing most of these, so I wanted it to stay within the... I really like this one. I love how simple it is with that little bug in the middle. Start to put these back in here. You can see that one with the dogs. Again, layering these like Project Life type size cards. Some manly cards. All occasion cards. Hopefully I'm in the screen. That would be a big bummer, right? I thought, why not? If anyone wants to get some ideas or whatever, or maybe this will encourage you to go, some of these I've done videos on, go down into your craft room and grab out your stuff. Let me switch boxes. Here's some 5x7s. I love that rose gold. I need to put some envelopes with these, but just layering stuff on. Again, pause it if you want to see. This particular one goes like this. That's kind kind of fun. It's like a map with the camera, the sky. Keeping it simple, using up the scraps. Here's the Spellbinders die I wanted to try out. Some of this pattern paper does all the work for you if you're in a really great rush. And I like this one a lot. It's black and white. I love black and white. Nice manly cards. Those are hard. Did I do this one? Yeah. Maynard's dies there. I did put some things in the middle. I like these. This is that one kit with lots of the Victorian pretty peacock paper. This is a die in the card kit. It's a nice travel if you know someone going on a missions trip or just likes to travel. Like I said, it's about 125 cards in about 3 to 4 hours. Not bad. And it uses up stuff. If you're going to move stuff along, you might as well make a bunch of cards and send them out. So some super simple ones. Little party dog, cute. Other travel use, a lot of travel themed. Alright guys, just wanted to flip through those before I gave them away. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.